Hello my paper peeps. Welcome to another monthly method. Today I'm going to be showing you how to create an easy closure for your scrapbooks, your journals, your mini albums, and cards. So join me as I show you this easy technique. Let's get crafting. Okay, so I am known for using wax seal stamps to seal everything, but today I'm going to show you a different closure technique that involves 4 supplies. You'll need a brad, an eyelet. I use glossy accents for the adhesive, and then craft string. Now, in this case, I'm going to show you with the larger brad and eyelet. If you're going to send this in the mail, I'd highly recommend that you use the thinner or the smaller eyelet and brad, just to make sure it gets through the mail sorter. And I like to wrap my craft string around the envelope multiple times. So I'll use about 24 inches of craft string here. And the size of envelope I'm using is a 5 1/4 by 7 1/4 inch envelope. So a little larger than your standard. And what you want to do here is you take the brad and you place it into the eyelet, just like this. You actually have to flip the eyelet backwards, or upside down, I mean. And then what you do is you place the string into the eyelet, like you see here, and I'll actually use a little bit of heat adhesive just to keep it in place. Then let's pull that back, and I like using these OXO grips or OXO clips for pretty much everything in my crafting. We'll let that dry, and if this earthy aesthetic appeals to your eye, we're actually in a series called the Sage Collection, where I showcase several tips and tutorials on how to set up a journal for the year that has mini albums in it, pockets, tags, stamping formulas, and ephemera formulas. So if you're interested in that, I'll put some links at the end of this video that will show you how I put this all together. So once that dries, all you have to do is you can actually snip that little tail off if you like. I like to keep it on because it's a vintage card. So, and then I just take my paper piercer and put a hole in it. There you go. That is your closure. Can you believe how easy that is? And it just looks so chic. And if you want to see how I used this technique in sealing a card for Mother's Day, then watch this next video and it'll show you a beautiful card that you can make for mom. Take care and we'll see you soon. Bye.